Good day, folks. We are gonna dig down to bedrock today. So last time I was here, I dug from there over. I'm gonna start digging this line again this way. I want to get down to bedrock as quick as possible, and I brought the little shop vac so I can suck whatever's in that channel right out. All right, we're getting there. Brought out the bedrock toothbrush. Here's the bedrock right here, just coming down. Comes into this little channel right here, comes down here, dives, comes right back up this wall. So let's run this stuff, see what's in it. Right, here's some bits from about 3 buckets closer to the bedrock. I'm gonna go clean the bedrock off now. I figured there'd be more pieces in here, but this may be where the gold kind of stopped dropping off. Let's clean off that bedrock and then pan that stuff out. You can see it just shelves, channels, shelves back up, comes down, there's a little channel in there, and then goes down. It's just heaps and valleys. No good. Broke it. So I'm down this channel right here. Gonna bust out the spoon. So one thing I'm learning, keep a bucket of water with you if you're using a shop vac. This, it backs up. All the stuff, all the muddy material gets backed up in the hose. And I just, every once in a while, I'll just stick the hose in the bucket. It'll just clean the hose right out so that it runs better again. All right, so I got that all cleaned out. Between the shop vac, the scooper, the spoon, the super sucker bottle, the brush, the now broken screwdriver, the pickaxe, we got it. Here's the material. Get a little in this bucket, not much. That's the sludge from the vacuum. That's the heaviest stuff, and then what I can fit in the pan. I'm gonna go pan all this stuff out, see what's in it. Oh, one thing I want to mention too is in the semi-coarse gravels I'm finding the most gold. So all this material's still good. Right now it is 11:30. I'm psyched. We're getting some progress done here. Normally I would run all this material, work my way down. I wanted to just go right to bedrock today. So I feel like this is more efficient. I just get all this stuff loosened up, get it out of the way, and then it's gonna be quick to stick this stuff in buckets and just run it. All right, so after cleaning that bedrock, cleaner than my house, that's it. So I'm gonna go process that material that I removed from the hole. We're gonna compare notes. I strongly believe that other materials, now that I know this, is probably gonna be better. So I just removed a lot of the dirt from there, bucketed it, I don't know, maybe 6, 7, 8 buckets, ran through the gold trap. So let's do a clean out and see what's in there. Obviously nothing was really, just small stuff was on the bedrock. So is this where the gold ends? If you've seen other episodes, you've seen me dig all in there, dig here, dive in the plunge pool over there and clean out bedrock, and I kind of been all over the place here. But really what I want to know is, where does the line end on this side where the inside corner is? Let's find out. I'm going to do a clean out and see if it's still locked up in that surface material stuff. So here's that clean out. This is probably equal to what I got off the bedrock. Keep digging. So here's the major inside bend. It's like a half circle. Next time I'm here, I think I'm gonna start digging this out right here. See, now it's getting good gold on the corner right up there. Right where it first starts winding, and this heavy stuff is right here. It's worth a shot. I'm not gonna have time today to do test pans, but so here's some more bits from over here. Just this pile that came out of the hole. Most of it's sand. It's funny backfilling a hole when you didn't get to some of the material and you know there's still gold in it, but hey, you know, it's just a hobby. I feel like a Ghostbuster with this thing strapped to my back. So there's probably bears in the woods like, what is that dude doing? Into the jungle. Just want to say thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the episode, give it a thumbs up. Hope to see you on the next one. Be well. Bro, get away from my tools.